Welcome to SE Custom Designs, where Git likes to be in the videos, the SE Custom Designs videos. Git. He likes to say hello. So what are we doing out here besides loving the birds and the cat? So I woke up this morning and I went to let Dex out to go to the bathroom, and sure enough, Dex was not in his room. I was freaked out. Well, Dex went with mommy to work, and that freaked me out because I didn't know. So anyway, what are we doing, friends? Welcome to SE Custom Designs. Let's go inside the poly shed. This poly stain booth. This is something you're familiar with, I'm sure, by now. Looking for SE Custom Designs logo somewhere. Where are you, logo? This was like really impromptu. At any rate, hey, check this guy. He is from Jamaica. And I just put a coat of orange oil, beeswax. This product here, I'm not a salesman for any of the products that I show you. I just use them. At any rate, so he was long overdue. He goes on my front porch. He's awesome. He was given to me by my best man, Angelo, in Wyndham, New York. Note in here it's about 83 or 4 degrees. And we have this guy. He's new to the shop, and he looks like about 82 degrees. So those guys are kind of close. All right, so basically we're going to be putting up a little tent, whatever you call it, greenhouse, that I picked up at Ocean State Job Lot for $49. And I'm like, my pastor actually made this for me. He made the addition, which is the top part here, and some parishioners. If you haven't seen these episodes, look them up. Now we're going to come around the side like this, the front, sorry. And now look, this is what it used to be. It used to be all pallets and a kayak. No, pallets, basically, in this plastic. Then pastor came, he says, we want to bless you, and he put this on my little square of pallets and darkness. Mind you, I mean, this let in light. So then I got the idea to take these guys, put them here. So we put them all around the poly shed, like this, okay? Then, well, God bless me with windows. 1, look at this guy, he's really long. 2, and then 2 in the back. I found those on the side of the road. Pretty cool. So anyway, Pastor knows that he loves plants. He's been planting and planting forever. That's what he does. So he put these on the side. He says, you can put your plants out here. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I bought these guys. We got some various species of tomato plants going on. Okay. So we got those guys. Then we have, I believe, what is rosemary? I'm not the guy that knows all these things. I just don't. What's in here? Oregano. Greek oregano. Rosemary. I had that one right, my friends. I believe this is parsley. Italiano parsley. No, you can't shut up. And then we have sweet basil, I believe. Yes. So nice, my friends. I mean, you literally can take this guy off, excuse that, put it in your mouth and eat it. When I tell you I will entertain you at SE Custom Designs, I mean it. All right, so what we needed, and we have a high wind advisory tonight in our local area. And yeah, the last thing I need is to come out in the morning and find these guys all over the place, not where I put them. So I went down to the wood shop. Actually, my wife helped me make it right over there on the table. And there's Git. We got to go say hi to Git again. Git! Mouse! Git! Git is a rescue. All of our cats were rescues. He was underneath our car one morning. And Babs went out and grabbed it. Been a part of the family ever since. Frederick is the official name. That sounds a little too serious for me. I call him Git. Git is awesome. Aren't you, Git? He is. So yeah, with the poly shed, you've got, this is the west we got over here. So all day long, the sun is shining in the east. That's the south. And it goes all the ways across the shed. Like this. Excellent, right? So, we just went down and we ripped some boards that I found. I was very happy. By the way, if you haven't seen the episode regarding the pin guns that they have out now, check this out. No compressor. Batteries. I told you I'm going to be quite excited about this for quite a time to come. Don't have to drag my hoses and my compressor and pneumatic gun anymore. So we threw this guy together. Not a little bit of thought went into it, but we just threw it together. So now we can place these guys inside. Geez, it's almost like it was custom made. Oh, he drank a lot. So at any rate, oh man, check it out, my friends. Now I can relax, knowing I can come out in the morning and they're still going to be where I placed them. If anything, they might get pushed over a little bit from the high wind warning we have. And there you go. I even got room for more. How cool is that, my friends? So let's push it back, like so. Maybe not completely back. And there we go. Instant planter. I like it. Let me know what you think. So what do we got there? 3 lengths of plyboard. And I cut the caps off from the bottom like this. And there you go. So I can water them. The water can come out like this. Really not concerned about treating this. Be nice to lift these up off the wood actually, but that's what I got for now. I'm okay with that. Thanks for tuning in to SC Custom Designs. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. This was totally impromptu. Here's another thing I like to do, my friends. Love to feed the birds. So that'll take these guys sometimes 3 days, that food will be gone. Then what I do is I cast the seed on the ground, and when I go in as early as 15 minutes, 5 minutes really, they'll be out here. They know, they're up there waiting. You can hear them. Well, that was a robin. They don't eat seeds, they eat the worms and berries. I picked these up. Yes, I like birds. So we got 8 or something like this on the outside, and we have 82 or 3 on the inside. The poly shed. Thanks for tuning in. SC Custom Designs. 1 video a week or more. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you give a thumbs down, let us know what we're doing wrong, and we'll go ahead and try to improve it. Thanks. Take care, guys.